OneNote is a wonderful tool whether you are looking to keep personal notes or take notes for class. You are able to create different tabs for those different categories. As you can see, I have a birthday tabs that I have taken notes on when the birthdays of the people closest to me are that I need to remember. I also have my to-do list, the next tab over. I need to go grocery shopping. I have a job interview. I have all my homework listed just under that and some other random to-do list things. In this third tab, I have my topic for EDCI 270, which is the Underground Railroad, and you're able to label each of these tabs the names that you want them to be. Create a topic header up here at the top, and then take as many notes as you want. I inserted a screenshot of a website that talked about basic facts of the Underground Railroad. I'm able to highlight it and make notes on it using the draw buttons at the top of the page. It's set up fairly similar to Word, which makes it really easy to navigate.